Restoring old furniture can bring new life to your space, taking a tired piece from looking like this to this. Hi, I'm Jack, and this is how to restore furniture. Let's get into it. First, clean the furniture using a microfiber cloth and a mild detergent mixed with water to remove any dirt, grime, or grease. This is a crucial step because any leftover dirt can affect the finish. Make sure to let the surface completely dry before moving on to the next step. Once your furniture is clean and dry, scrape back any loose or flaky paint and be careful to not damage the timber. Next, it's time to sand the surface of your furniture to remove the rest of the existing finish and smooth out any imperfections. Start with medium grit sandpaper, such as a 120 grit. If you're finding the coat is a lot thicker than expected, you can use a stripper or an 80 grit sandpaper. Then work your way up to a finer grit, like a 240 or 220. Always sand with the grain of the timber to avoid scratches. Wipe away any dust with a tack cloth or a damp one. If you need to glue two pieces together like this one, apply a wood adhesive. Wipe off any excess adhesive with a damp cloth while it's still wet. Now that your furniture is prepped and ready, it's time to apply a new finish. If you want to stain or oil your furniture, choose a colour that complements your decor and apply it with a brush followed by a clean cloth. However, this process depends on the product. Rub it into the timber in the direction of the grain. For a deeper colour, you can apply multiple coats. Just make sure to let each coat dry before the next. And there you have it. With just a bit of time and effort, you can turn an old piece of furniture into a stunning feature for your home. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.